5年前經濟衰退啱開始嘅時候，投資者迫不及待地拋售股票，造成股價大跌。今日好似帕克斯頓貝呢一類嘅退休人士同投資者都希望能夠避免因為政府唔能夠履行責任而再次受到打擊。佢話
：I mean, I'm a federal retiree. I mean, I depend on the government for my monthly annuity, and if they don't do that, I'm probably not going to get paid next month.
貝克屬於一個投資俱樂部，佢同同伴一齊打算為咗應對局勢不穩喺股市作長期投資。貝克話
：Certainly there would be an impact on investments, but I think we feel overall that stocks will continue to be a good place to put your money.
希拉奇克係愛德華瓊斯投資公司嘅顧問，佢對客戶話要有長遠眼光。
It may take time, or it could be a quick recourse, but once again.Keeping the long-range investment goals in mind will help you to smooth over a lot of the short-term volatilities.
美國財政部一份報告話，美國債務違約可能導致信貸市場凍結，使到美元貶值、利率上升，可能再次造成經濟衰退。經濟學家斯坦科蘭德話，呢個情況會將國際投資者從美國趕走。
All they know is this solid rock of an economy, solid rock of a political system seems to be shaking.And that's got to drop their confidence. It means that, if they're counting on the money to be repaid at the right time also, they may just say, you know what, it's not worth the risk.
為咗避免有關危機，國會必須要同意提高債務上限。國會眾議院議長貝納同其他共和黨議員要求民主黨首先喺開支同醫改問題上讓步。
I don't believe that we should default on our debt. It's not good for our country. But after 55 years of spending more than what you bring in,Something ought to be addressed.
奧巴馬總統話冇談判餘地。
There will be no negotiations over this. The American people are not pawns in some political game.
經濟發展委員會嘅約瑟夫米納里克話，債務違約嘅危害可能會持續好長時間。
In all likelihood, that will affect the esteem with which lenders perceive the U.S. Treasury for a very long period of time.Trust once it is lost is very hard to regain.
米納里克等專家呼籲美國兩黨領袖避免危機，同時貝克同佢嘅投資拍檔正在保護佢哋嘅資產，以防止政府令到佢哋失望。美國之音記者克萊恩報道。